warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm going to explain my analysis of equivalent based on Mona Baker's framework. I use the text about teacher and their role in understanding student, and here is my analysis. For the first sentence, a teacher's main job is to educate students in the classroom, but there is no doubt they also need to understand each student's personality. The sentence dealt with word-level equivalence. Pressure educate students sound too direct and bit stiff, so I changed it to a teacher's role isn't it only to teach in class but also to truly understand a student's personality. This version sounds more natural and emotional. Next, for the second sentence. Younger teachers, on the other hand, usually bring technology into their lesson. This example relates to pragmatic equivalence. The sentence is correct, but it could sound smoother, so I revised it to younger teachers meanwhile tend to blend technology naturally into their lesson. This felt more conversational and realistic. Then, for the third sentence. Because of this, the gap between teacher and student kept getting wider like a snowball rolling downhill. This one saw textual or idiomatic equivalence. The idiom, like a snowball rolling downhill, is fine but a bit too literal. I changed it to, that's why the cup keeps growing steadily like a snowball picking up speed. This keeps the idiomatic meaning but sounds smoother in English. Moving on to the first sentence. This kind of contradiction makes students feel like their teacher don't practice what they praise. Here, I focus on above word level equivalence. The original version is formal, so I made it more expressive. Such contradiction makes students think their teacher say one thing but do another. This version sounds more natural and reflects how people actually speak. Finally, for the fifth sentence, but they are still a fair voting as long as I'm doing my duty to teach, everything else doesn't matter. This relates to grammatical and pragmatic equivalence. The phrase doing my duty sounds deep, so I changed it to, yet some teachers still think as long as I'm teaching, nothing else really matters. This version feels softer and more conversational. In conclusion, by applying Mona Baker's equivalent framework, we try to make each sentence sound more natural, meaningful, and closer to real English usage while still keeping the original meaning intact. Thank you for listening.